So, first chicken tractor run, test run. Started up a little rough, but you know, that's to be expected for our first start. Birds didn't know what to make of it. They really didn't want to go out in the cage. They're used to the safety and comfort of the chicken coop they've been in. But they're starting to adjust now. Starting to hunt around and peck around. Still got to put hinges on the door here. And a latch on the other side. But I wanted to get them out and test it out and see how they like it and see how hard it is to get them out there. It's a little tricky shifting them out, but I think once they get used to it, they'll adjust. Look at that, they got the warning sounds and all. They're really starting to get authentic chicken sounds to them now. Less of the peep and more real chicken voices, which is pretty cool. Put up some squawk when I catch them to transport them or to move them into the cage for their first time. And of course, Clone's been whining the whole time. Yeah, you should be alerting when you see a predator. Good birds. Good birds. What are you doing, cloners? What's the matter, buddy? Cloners, what are you doing, buddy? Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. I'll give you some lovin's. Come on. Come here. Come over to Daddy. Come on. I know, you're still limping your sore kitty. Come on. Come here. You're freaking chickens out. Come here. Come over here and chill out. Come on. There you go. Yeah, come here. Come here. Right here. I'm sitting next to Daddy. I'll pet you and love you. Yeah. You're slow healing on that wound, huh, buddy? You want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi to the camera? Wow. You just want to be in my lap for some lovin's, huh? Okay. You can sit in my lap for some lovin's. Yeah. You got the birds all freaked out. You're freaking them out. That's good training for them. Good training for them. Get them ready for full free range. So they know to get scared when they see a predator, huh? Anyway, chicken tractor is 12 foot long by 8 foot wide by 5 foot high. Made out of scrap 2x4s, and thanks to Hybrix Farmer for donating a lot of the scrap 2x4 material for it, and screws, and his time and help assembling it. And thanks to my anonymous people who helped out with buying the fencing, that kind of stuff. And yeah, so we got a chicken tractor together, and I'm sure the chickens will adjust to it and be quite happy hunting and pecking around. Till next time, this is the Farmacy Seeds Network.